Star. Okay, read this one carefully,
Ha-
slowly.
Harry likes to walk his dog.
Very good. Harry likes to walk his dog. Two boxes for Hafiz. Can you read this?
Sometimes,
Sometimes.
sometimes. Apa cikgu? Sometimes they take a
Take.
short walk to the mall.
Again, how do we read this word?
Take.
Take. Very good. Sometimes
Nothing
they
dengar.
take a
Itu saya
short
dah
walk
sangat.
to the mall. Awak baca tick. Take. Okay, read this one.
At, at, at the mall, Harry likes to buy popcorn at a small, small stall.
Very good. At the mall, Harry likes to buy popcorn at a small stall. Another two boxes for Hafiz. Very good, lah, Hafiz. Can you read this?
He can see a man
Mm-hmm.
sling, 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 eh, sling,
What sound is this?
sing,
Eh.
slang.
Hmm. Read this one
Tak pernah
first.
baca
Baca dah tadi.
sel,
Selling.
sling, huh? Selling,
Selling.
selling apa itu?
Selling menjual. Selling.
Selling some
Some what?
balls,
Balls. Very
some
good. He can
balls.
see a man selling some balls. Okay, one box for you for
Saya tak
this.
ada satu pun.
Ada tadi. Okay, read this one.
Harry likes Harry likes to talk to the man at the stall.
Very good. Harry likes to talk to the man at the stall. Another two boxes. One, two. Can you read this one?
At on the
Other.
other time,
Mm-hmm.
Harry and his dog likes to play ball with 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 Jean on the lawn.
Very
lawn.
good. Lawn, good. At other times, Harry and his dog likes to play ball with Jean on the lawn. Okay, another two boxes for you. One, two. Can you read this one?
He's, he he
Yes.
said yesterday they played ball together.
Very good. Yesterday, they played ball together. Another two boxes. One, two. Next, can you read this?
His dog hit the ball with it is paw to Harry.
Very
Poo,
good.
poo, poo.
How do we read this?
Hit,
Hit.
hit, hit.
Hit. Very good. How do we read this?
His dog hit the ball with his paw,
Paw.
paw
Very good. Paw. Very good. To
to
Harry.
Harry.
His dog hit the ball with its paw to Harry. Okay, another two boxes. One, two. Can you read this one?
Harry, Harry the, Harry the, Harry the, Harry the,
Harry then.
Harry then kicked the ball back.
Very good. Harry then kicked the ball back. Okay, one box for you for this. Next one, can you read this one?
But the ball whipped over the wall.
How do we read
Was
this word?
whipped with wind.
What sound is this?
Went.
Ah, went. Very good. But the ball went over the wall. Okay, another two boxes. One, two. You finished the race. You've reached the star. Good job.